Good day, our Professor Sir Nino Romer Panagsagan. I'm Juan Miguel L. Pestillos, your second-year student taking Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, Section A. And this is my video presentation performing combo number 1 in our Flair Activity 1. Frontal flip, side flip, rainbow pass, throw behind the back, thumb roll, shoulder back flip, boomerang, stall.